guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you guys are doing well. So this makeup look is created by you guys because this video is my subscribers, my Instagram followers picks my makeup, and you guys is responsible for this look, and this makeup look is only credit goes to you guys. This makeup look turns out so beautiful, so light and not so dramatic. This makeup look you guys can carry on your office or on your daily routine, on your day parties, and this is such a beautiful subtle makeup look created by you guys. If you guys want to see how I create this makeup look, then keep on watching. But the first poll I uploaded on the Instagram story that you guys want full dramatic look or light makeup. You guys chose light makeup because second poll I created on the Instagram story, that is you guys want a high medium, a high coverage foundation or a medium coverage foundation. You guys chose medium coverage foundation. Today I'm gonna use this pack, Professional Artist Cosmetic Pack HD liquid foundation, and I'm in the shade 1.3, and I will apply it on my whole face. Step is concealer, and I just gave you guys two options: the NYX HD photogenic concealer or Maybelline Fit Me. You guys chose Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna apply concealer Maybelline Fit Me in the shade light 10. I'm gonna apply this under my eyes. Next step is to set the concealer. I just gave you guys two options, that Maybelline White Super Fresh with Pure Light setting powder, or you guys want to choose a Miss Clear blooming powder in the shade TL4. So guys, you guys chose the Miss Clear blooming face powder in shade TL4, and I will use this to set up my all concealer. Step is eyeshadow, and you guys want light makeup look, you guys want matte makeup look, you guys want nude makeup look. So I will use this Makeup Revolution I Love Makeup You're the Best Thing palette to create the light, matte and nude makeup look. Taking this a light creamy shade, I will set my eyelids. Taking this light color, it will go into my crease. Now taking this two dark shades, and I will mix it up and apply it on my whole eyelid. Poll was the wing eyeliner or classic eyeliner. You guys chose dramatic wing eyeliner, so I will create the wing eyeliner using Lakme Insta Liner in the shade black. Done with eyeliner, it's time for the mascara. You guys chose Maybelline Over Dior, so I will use this Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama mascara from Maybelline, and I will coat my lashes with this beautiful mascara, which give such an amazing volume to my eyelashes. Next bowl is applying kajal, black or white. You guys chose black over white, and apply this Nykaa I Am Black kajal on my lower waterline. Step is contour, and I will give you the two choices, the cream contour or the powder contour, and you guys chose cream contour. Today I'm gonna use this Freedom Pro Strobe Cream palette, and this is for the cream contour. The next step is the blush, and you guys chose the pink over coral, and I am using Focalure Doll Face. Step will be the highlighter, but you guys said that no highlighter. I was really surprised that you guys chose no highlighter, so I thought I will not apply highlighter and I will go straight away to the eyebrows, and I will give you two options that you want the pencil eyebrow filling or powder eyeshadow filling, and you guys choose powder eyeshadow eyebrow filling. Last step will be the lip color, and you guys chose the matte plus nude color, so choose the Europe Girl in the shade Dubai Girl, and this is such a beautiful nude plus matte lip color, and I will apply this on my lips. makeup look created by you guys. Thank each and every one who vote on my Instagram poll, and you guys create this beautiful subtle daily makeup look with your polls. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell. You will get notified whenever I upload new video on my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and that's it for today. Bye bye.